We're making something delicious, banana cream pudding.
For this recipe, you need 2 cups of milk, Cold Whip vanilla wafers, sweetened condensed milk, Philadelphia cream cheese, instant banana cream pudding, vanilla wafers, and 6 to 8 bananas.
We're gonna wash our hands. Let's get started.
For the first step, we're going to need 4.6 ounces of banana pudding. We're going to put our mix into the bowl to pour it all in.
Next, we're gonna add 2 cups of milk. Next, we're gonna pour it in. Ew, that looks disgusting. Next up, we're gonna mix it up. Kidding, we're gonna use the mixer. Now we're gonna set it aside to let it set. Next, we're gonna line our baking pad with cookies. We're going to put a layer of bananas on the top of the cookie. Set that aside while we make the rest of the topping. In the other bowl, we're going to put the cookie dough, milk, and the cream cheese. And now, I'm going to dump all of this in. Cover the butter, cover the butter. Let's get mixing. We're going to mix it together when it all gets new. Next, we're going to fold 16 ounces of Cold Whip into the mix. Is poured. Oh, man. We're going to combine the 2 toppings. Pour both of them into one bowl. I think it's froze. It looks like it is. But it's that just flopped right out. I didn't even use this. We're going to pour the pudding mix into the banana and the cookies. Oh no. I think I should take this out of the way. Let's scrape it off.
yeah. Just move it out evenly into the pan. Make sure you lick your spoon so it won't go away. Next, we're going to put the bananas on top of the filling. One of them just went in. We're going to cover the banana with make sure you put the cookies in the fridge to chill because tomorrow we have a Christmas party. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. Give me a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye! Feliz Navidad, don los paz, felicidades.